Well, good morning. It's the morning after the overnight leak test, and it is at this point in time 8:30. Kevin should be here around 9. We're going to take the green bike down and go back to working on this Triumph, of which we just received a whole bunch of parts. So we'll put that guy back up on the lift. This guy is the one with the front wheel missing. And this guy is the fastback, of which I'm waiting on a couple parts also. The front wheel rim is over here ready to be shipped to California. We'll do that tomorrow. And let's see over here. Okay, now the results of the overnight leak test I think are wonderful. If you look right in that back rear corner right here, there's a drop from something back here. But it's not from up here where the previous one was. So I'm going to say the two clamps I put on there solved that problem. And I'm going to say that this one in the back here is what causes what we refer to as the mechanic's prayer. It's where we say, oh, please let that be residual oil from the previous leak. So I'm going to leave that. That's not worth addressing. Frankly, I believe that it's the British who have kept America from having rusty roads, and who am I to interfere? So anyway, I'm going to call this good and tell the client he can come get it. Now, in the meantime, this is cool. As a result of yesterday's video talking about the fact that the Speedo is dead and the tack is being weird, and the fact that I don't have anybody to recommend anymore, because the people I used stopped doing it. I got an email last night from a previous client who's watching these videos, and he sent me this information here. He had them do both his Speedo and his tack, and he says he's very, very pleased with them, and that I should contact them, and I will. So here's a website for someone who does repair Speedos and tacks instruments, and that's worth its weight in gold. And that really shows the value of these videos when I can find something like this that's going to be valuable to me and possibly to all of you guys who are watching. Now, in the meantime, the last little bit of news is that if you watched yesterday's two videos, one of them was Kevin riding a TR6, and it had a weak front brake, and he was going to contact his client and ask if he should allow him to go ahead and put new brakes on the front. And the client said yes. And the interesting thing is the client said yes before he had a chance to even see that video. I'm not sure if you saw that video or not. That's Kevin's choice. So anyway, that TR6 will receive a new set of brake shoes, probably arrive in less than a week, and he and I will put those in. And yeah, things are looking good. Now, Kevin should be here shortly. We're going to take this bike down, put another bike up, and get to work and do some work. And that's where we are today.